Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the B flat major scale on your piano. I'm going to show you the correct fingering for your right hand and for your left hand. And at the end of the video, I'm also going to show you what triads, 3-note chords you can derive from this scale. Okay, let's get started. To play the B flat major scale, start with your second finger on your root note like this. B flat, and then right away you put your thumb underneath, play the C, D, E flat. When you come to this third finger again, put your thumb underneath, F, G, A, and B flat. Going downwards, we're going all the way to the thumb, B flat, A, G, F, and now your third finger across, E flat, D, C, and finally back at the B flat with your second finger. Let's do it again. Okay, let's do the same thing with the left hand. This time you start with your third finger on the B flat. And going down all the way to your fourth finger, thumb underneath. You'll be back at your third finger. Let's do it again. Fourth finger over. Second finger over. Going all the way to the fourth finger. Thumb underneath. Okay, and finally let's have a look at what triads you could derive from this scale, the B flat major scale. On step 1 you have the B flat major chord. On step 2 you have the C minor chord. On step 3 you have the D minor chord. On step 4 you have the E flat major chord. On step 5, sorry, did I say 5? Step 4, E flat major chord. On step 5, the F major chord. Step 6, the G minor chord. Step 7, you have the A minor flat 5 chord. A minor flat 5 chord. And finally you're back at your first step again with the B flat major chord. So there you have it, the B flat major scale. So I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart or a free chord inversion crash course or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordscharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.